Winnie Wangeshi Mainda. Thank you, Governor. Winnie. Just a moment. Yeah, yes.
No, the name of the lady who gives evidence and produced that was Elizabeth Mahinda.
Yeah, Elizabeth Mahinda.
Yes.
I issued, okay. Elizabeth Mahinda. But the production, you confirm it was produced by the first accused? Okay, we are just confirmed, there's no problem. Don't worry about it. So, Mr. Monda, we'd rather release those one for their safe custody. Let them keep them. If there are any further proceedings, he has them.
Then he must be told that he must have them.
Yes. Yes, yes. Because I've indicated for safe custody. For safe custody. They are still exhibit, we have marked them. But we don't have got a good place where we can keep them. Maybe some water may come and destroy them. Then we'll be in trouble and would have destroyed someone's property. And I promise. And that's why even I've taken the trouble to ensure that they are fetched and they are brought. About the passport, I'm also following on them so that you get the passports. I'll ensure that shortly you get the passport. I hope someone is still on it about the passports. Yes, just so that I conclude on the sentence. Then you can address me if there's an issue that you want. So I've also meant that to be released. Then accused person will not have 14 days right to appeal. That's also your right against the judgment and the ruling on the sentence. I've also made an order that certified copies of judgment ruling on sentence shall issue to parties subject to payment of the charges where applicable. If it's the EACC and prosecution, they don't pay. JM and Swaka, you are to do something. Did you do? Because that's where I check. Did we pay? I gave you.
Yeah, my office paying for 6 years. Some days we don't get it.
Yeah, you paid.
Yeah.
Can we check and confirm? Because I don't want to be sent a bill. And I'm only a salaried person. JM, it's only one to pay. Only one to pay.
I agree. Actually, I was requesting something else. I know that you have mentioned that.
No, I've completed.
On the issue of also including
Okay. Yeah, just a moment. Yes. Okay, I had the proceedings of the proceedings, but the proceedings we need to have look at them. The types one there are a few typos here and there, as usual, you know. But I've even called the EO and I've told him if we can be given to a serious person to proofread them thoroughly, it's okay. But for the judgment you have, this ruling I'm going to give you right away. It won't even take a second for me to give you. Yeah. Yes, I put certified copies of proceedings, judgment, and the ruling on sentence shall issue to the parties subject to payment of charges where applicable. Does that one cover everything? Yes. Now, just a moment, Danson. Just a moment, so that we proceed in a very orderly way. Let me begin with the governor. There's an issue that he wanted to raise. Then I can come to council. Raise it. It is good. You don't tell someone to sit down and it's not good.
I don't know who is about this case. They're still with them as well.
Now, where's Mohammed? Mohammed? Do you have Mohammed? That was the leader here. No. Leave people's bosses. Yes. Nganga, you stand in. Yes. Yes.
And we also have civil proceedings.
Yes.
So it will be difficult to distinguish some of the cases are held in that the civil case are still very
In court.
So at this juncture, it will not be appropriate to say that
Okay. What I may do, Nganga, I just plead with you, just as I've been telling you. Please, if you find there's something that's personal, and probably we don't need it for personal proceedings, you see, like even mine I'm giving back, just give them on. Swakas made very good submissions, and it was good. We don't need to continue paying where really someone has felt it. There's no point. Correct? I've sentenced you. Just look at it on compassion. Correct? Yeah, because I've appreciated the work that all of you have done. Correct? Yes, and the accused person, they are being cooperative throughout the proceedings. So there's no point. There's a document, you find this one is very useful. Give it to them. They may need it, you never know. Correct? Because like now these ones, I must give them. I don't need to task them on what is happening. Now, a moment so that I take the addresses of councils as we wind up and we be brief.